Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Just a very quick unboxing of my new fishing Modus SD2 reel. This is the box. When you open the box, obviously you get the reel inside, which we will get to now. Inside the box you get a sticker, a 13 fishing sticker, and then you get the usual the warranty and the parts list inside. When we look at the reel, beautiful reel, beautiful colors, big handles. It's a bit of a shallow spool. For me, it doesn't take a lot of line. We're going to look at the characteristics now and see how much line and things that it takes. On the side it's 13 fishing. Modus SD2 on the side. A beautiful reel. Let's look at the specs. It's a 7.19 ounce or 203.91 grams. 8 total ball bearings. 8 pounds, you can take 75 yards. 0.32 millimeters, 61 meters. So it doesn't take a lot of line. 8.2 kilograms, 18 pounds is the drag. 86.47 centimeters is the handle, and then the gears is a 8.1 to 1. So it's quite a fast reel that you can use for. I was thinking of using it because it doesn't take a lot of braid. You can see the spool is quite shallow. It doesn't take a lot of line. I was thinking of putting mainly the 50-pound braid on here that I bought, and then use it for flipping and fishing. As you know, I have a problem. So this is a left-handed reel. I don't know if I told you, but this is a left-handed reel. So you'll be holding the rod on this hand and you'll be reeling this side. Which is maybe better for me with my injury. So I was looking for a left-handed reel. So I found one at Top Corner Bench Corner for 2,870 rand. It's a beautiful reel. So we're going to test it and see how it goes. Also, one of the features that we are used to is that you have your clip that you open the spool with. You can see and there's your spool. It is a very thin spool. So inside you have your gears on the spool. If you can see, there's gears that you adjust inside the spool. So it's got an internal gear system, and then you just hook it and it closes again. I like reels where you can take out the spool. Sometimes when you get a boo, it's easy to take out the reel and unwind the line. But hopefully this one doesn't give us boo-boos. Hopefully it's very smooth. It feels very smooth. 8:1:1, a very fast retrieve ratio. So I think it's very good for flipping and fishing because it's short distances and to get the line out very quickly, and also to catch up if the fish swims to you. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a good afternoon. God bless you, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.